Do you know what Olympiad exams really are? Most students and parents miss this opportunity. Olympiads are competitive exams that test your conceptual understanding, not just textbook learning. Math Olympiad builds strong logical thinking and problem solving. Science Olympiad tests practical application and scientific approach. English Olympiad improves grammar, comprehension, and vocabulary depth. They are conducted at school, national, and international levels. Participating in Olympiads improves confidence, makes you think faster, and builds a strong foundation for future competitive exams. Future exams like JEE, NEET, and beyond require a robust base, which Olympiads provide. Want to prepare smartly for Olympiads with daily tricks and concept classes? Follow EDU Spark and join our live classes with NIT grads.